Hey there, money-savvy parents. We all know raising kids can be expensive, but did you know there's a helpful tax credit waiting to give you a little extra cash? Let's dive into the Child Tax Credit, CTC, for 2024 and see how you can maximize that moolah. CTC stands for Child Tax Credit. It's like a special help parents get from the government to support them in taking care of their children. When parents have kids, they might get money back from the government to help with the costs of raising them. It's kind of like a little extra help to make sure parents have what they need to give their kids a good life. So, CTC is a way the government supports families with children by giving them some extra money to help cover the expenses of raising kids. Picture this. Not only do you get to enjoy some awesome quality time with your amazing kids, but you also get a sweet bonus from Uncle Sam. That's the magic of the Child Tax Credit, CTC. It's a special credit that either lowers your taxes or can even give you some money back for each qualifying child you have. It's like Uncle Sam giving you a thumbs up saying, "Hey, you're rocking this parenting thing, here's a little extra help." Pretty cool, right? In 2024, you can get up to a whopping $2,000 per child. Here's the breakdown. Up to $1,600. This part is like magic. You get it as a refund, even if you don't owe any taxes. Remaining $400, this part helps lower your tax bill, but it won't come back as a direct refund. To be a CTC superhero, your child needs some superpowers. Number 1, must be under 17. They gotta be under 17 on December 31st, 2023. Number 2, you're dependent. You get to claim them on your tax return. They live with you most of the year, and you support them financially. Number 3, Social Security number. They need a valid Social Security number to join the CTC club. Number 4, minimum income. In most cases, you need to have earned at least $2,500 in 2023. Here's how to be a CTC maximizing champion. Number 1, file on time. Be a tax time hero and file your return by April 15th, 2025. That's the deadline for tax year 2024. Number 2, get your documents ready. Gather documents like your child's Social Security card and proof of birth. Think of them as your tax-fighting gadgets. Number 3, filing status matters. Being married and filing jointly might get you more credit compared to filing separately. Check with a tax pro for the best option. Number 4, tax software. Help. Consider using tax filing software like a trusty sidekick. It can help you figure out if you qualify and calculate your credit. There might be news about increasing the refundable amount of the credit in the future. Keep an eye out for updates so you don't miss any extra cash. Hey there, thanks for joining us and learning all about maximizing your child tax credit. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay in the loop for more money-saving tips, personal finance hacks, and tax updates, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell next to it. That way, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos to help you become a financial superhero. We appreciate you being a part of our channel, and we can't wait to see you on the next one. Remember, this video is for general information. For specific tax questions, consult a tax professional. They can be your ultimate tax guide and ensure you claim all the benefits you deserve. Now go forth, conquer your taxes, and enjoy that extra moolah with your amazing kids.